Our next speaker session again will be a 7-minute speaker session. Topic being education without barriers, strengthening communities through accessible learning opportunities. Please welcome to the lectern Mr. Mohammed Zahidul Islam.
Thank you very much. I can see some tiredness, or maybe you are hungry. I feel the same. Distinguished guests, esteemed colleagues, and global leaders. Standing here today in Oxford at such an eminent venue, rich in history, intellectual legacy, it is with immense pride and deep humility that I address you as a keynote speaker. At this powerful World Summit for Social and Cultural Change. To be invited here, it's not just a privilege. I think it's a leadership responsibility. Let me begin with some personal. My name is Jahid. I stand here before you today as the CEO of UK Management College. We are based in Manchester. My journey into education leadership was shaped as life experience. I came in UK 2009 once I completed my graduation from University of Dhaka, Bangladesh. I came with a dream. I'll complete bar at law and I'll go back to my country. But because of my affordability tuition therapy as an international student in higher education industry in UK, I couldn't complete and I changed my journey to other course. I completed MBA and started my journey in education industry. I have seen poverty limits the potential, how no expectation erode ambitions. I was one of the examples. For that reason, I tried to understand the people of UK, especially those who are living standard not right, not expected, not deserved, especially the people who are deprived from the mainstream society, especially those who are disadvantaged, those who are immigrant from different countries. They couldn't complete their higher education for various reasons. I have targeted them. I realized I should create something for them. For that reason, I have started my journey in education industry. I created a college which is called UK Management College. And it's lead to me understand that education is not a privilege. It is a fundamental human rights. And yet, for millions across the world, that right remains out of reach, remain rigid and exclusive. This is not just a policy, it's a global leadership issue. Higher education is a strategic necessity. It's not in UK, it's all over the world, all the countries. At UK Management College, this belief drives everything we know. Currently, we are supporting our 7,000 students in UK Manchester, Derby, Newcastle, Sunderland. And we are continuing to support them. Our model is built on 3 foundations: access, reaching those who are often overlooked; enhanced student support, ensuring every student thrives; progression, creating a clear pathways to success. We have created personal academic tutors who are mentoring the people, those who are out of education, giving them pathway, giving them future. We have our earning team, those who have been disrupted from the education, giving them earning treatment so that they can come back in education, they can create better future. Together, we build not just graduate, but confident, capable individuals. Through our partnership, students once believed university was out of reach are now thriving within it. This is the transformation, this is impact which we have created. So I ask you, where are the barriers in your systems? Who is still excluded, and what will you do to change that? Let us measure not by who we select, but by who we lift. Let us transform lives for all the peoples. Thank you very much. It's a great privilege to be here. Thank you.